Hi Michael. Hi Amy. What's up? I'm looking for the airport. Will you tell me how to get there? No, sorry. I don't know. I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. Do you know if there's a restaurant around here? Yes, there's one here. It's in store. Thanks. Bye. Bye bye.